Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, eye-catchy and very exquisite collection that could never be seen before. It is very unique in itself and different type of stylized patterns of sleeve embroideries have been shown to you. Only by embroidering these patterns onto your sleeves, you can go out for the whole outfit look because these designs are very creative, unique and fuller in itself. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. And in the comment section, don't forget to leave comments that which designs you like the most and what you want us to share with you in new and upcoming videos. Different type of stylized patterns of borderline embroidery patterns for sleeves embroidery along with the shoulder embroidery along with the simple, sleek, and elegant designs ranging to medium towards high, fully embroidered sleeves. These sleeves could be made for your bodycon dresses, for your midi dresses, for your short length, quarter length dresses, for your long maxi dresses, and many more creativities as per your choice. I hope that you have liked the ideas. The beauty and creativity is that they are bi-dimensional videos. That is, you can equally use these beautiful patterns of hand embroidery for making machine embroidery patterns. So with this, allow me to leave. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos on my channel. Until then, take care, guys. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been.